Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to complete the remaining part of chapter number 5 Tansen. In part 1 I have explained the first half of this chapter, and in this class I am going to complete this chapter. I am going to complete the explanation of this chapter. So I am going to teach you. As you know, you are students of class 6 and the subject is English. The sub-subject that I have taken today, that I have chosen today for you, is supplementary reader. In supplementary reader, the name of the chapter is Tansen. This is the part 2 of Tansen. I am going to start explaining the chapter from where I left last time. So see the next paragraph. The next paragraph is: Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556. In 1556, and soon became a great favorite of the emperor. Favorite. The meaning of favorite here can say liked. He was much liked by Emperor Akbar. The meaning of emperor, simply you can say king. So in this paragraph the writer tells us that Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556. First of all, Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556, and very soon he became the favorite, he became the liked one, he became the loved one of Emperor Akbar, of King Akbar. Means King Akbar liked Tansen very much. He was much impressed with the music of Tansen. Come to the next. Akbar would call upon Tansen to sing at any time during the day or night. Akbar would call upon, would is used for many things, but in this sentence it is used for simple past tense, simple past. Sometimes we use would for simple past too. Here Akbar would call upon, Akbar bulata tha, bulaya karta tha. Akbar would call upon Tansen to sing anytime. He would call upon Tansen anytime during day or night, whenever he liked, whenever he wanted to listen the music. At that time Akbar called upon Tansen to come into his court and sing for him. Means he liked Tansen very much and he could call upon him, he could call Tansen at any time during day or night. The next sentence is: quite often he would just walk into Tansen's house to hear him practice. Quite often. He is quite often. Here can say many times. Many times. Quite often he means here King Akbar, Emperor Akbar. He would go to Tansen's house to listen during his practice. Whenever, sometimes, here you can say many times, King Akbar went to the house of Tansen and he stayed there for some time to listen practicing Tansen. Whenever he went towards the home of Tansen and he listened Tansen practicing his music, he stayed there for some time and listened the music of Tansen. And he also gave him many presents, because Akbar was much impressed with the music of Tansen. That's why he gave him a lot of presents for his good music. And some of the courtiers became jealous of Tansen, but on seeing that King Akbar is going to give a lot of presents a lot of prizes to Tansen, there were some courtiers who were jealous of Tansen because of that deed of Akbar, that Tansen was getting much presents and they were not getting. क्योंकि किंग अकबर जो है तानसेन को बार बार जो है हमेशा जो है प्रेजेंट्स उसको तोहफे देते रहता था, जिसकी वजह से जो दूसरे कोर्टियर थे वो उससे जीलस थे, वो उससे जलन रखते थे। तानसेन, वी शैल नेवर बी एबल टू रेस्ट टिल तानसेन इज ruined, they declared, and they declared, you can say announced, they announced shall never be able to rest till Tansen is ruined, here is the word ruined, the meaning of ruined is destroyed. They talked with themselves that they talked with each other that we will not take rest until the Tansen is ruined, means we must ruin Tansen, we must destroy Tansen because he is getting much prizes and we are not getting any prize, that's why we must ruin Tansen. They declared, they announced this among themselves. And next one is, one of the courtier Shaukat Mian had a bright idea. One of the courtier who were jealous of Tansen, among those courtiers there was a courtier, the name of that courtier was Shaukat Mian, and he had a great idea to ruin, to destroy Tansen. Now come to the next paragraph. Next one is, let us make him sing Rag Deepak, he said. He said means Shaukat Mian said, let us tell him to sing Rag Deepak. The idea was that we should say Tansen to sing Rag Deepak. And on saying this, there was a question of another courtier, how will that help us? Ask another man. There was another courtier and that courtier asked, how would that help us if we will say Tansen, if we would say Tansen to sing Rag Deepak, then how would it help us? Tell me, explain me. Now Shaukat Mian is going to explain it. If Rag Deepak is properly sung, it makes the air so hot that the singer is burned to ashes. Tansen is a very good singer. If he sings Rag Deepak, he will die and we will be rid of him. The meaning of rid. Rid means free, here can say. So now Shaukat Mian is going to explain how would Rag Deepak help them. He told the courtiers that if Rag Deepak is sing properly, it would destroy the person, it would burn the person into ashes, the person who is going to sing the Rag Deepak. And if the person is going to sing that Rag Deepak in proper way, proper manner, he must be burnt into ashes. तो शौकत मियाँ ने कहा कि अगर जो है राग दीपक को सही तरीके से गाया जाता है तो क्या है, जो गाने वाला व्यक्ति है वो जल करके राख हो जाएगा. एंड they knew that it is also given in your text that, and we knew that Tansen is a good singer and he can sing the Rag Deepak into proper way. And if he is going to sing the Rag Deepak in proper way, in perfect way, he will be burnt into ashes and we will get rid of him. So that if Rag Deepak is properly sung, it makes the air so hot that the singer is burnt to ashes. Tansen is a good singer. If he sings Rag Deepak, he will die and we will be rid of him. If Tansen is going to sing the Rag Deepak in proper way, in good manner, he will be died and then we will get rid of Tansen. Now come to the next paragraph. The next paragraph is, Shaukat Mian went to Akbar and said, we don't think Tansen is a great singer. Let us test him. Tell him to sing Rag Deepak. Only the greatest singer can sing it properly. The courtier who were jealous of Tansen, they decided to ask King Akbar to say Tansen to prove that he is a good singer. And Shaukat Mian told King Akbar that if Akbar that we don't think that Tansen is a great singer. Means we don't think he is not a great singer. He is a simple singer. He is simple singer. He is general. He is a simple singer like any other singer. He is not the greatest one. If he is greatest, he could. We should. If he is greatest, Tansen is the greatest. Let us test him. If you think that he is the greatest singer, he is a great singer, then we should test him. Either he is great or not. शौकत मियाँ ने कहा कि अगर किंग अकबर से कहा कि अगर तानसेन एक अच्छा सिंगर, हम नहीं समझते कि तानसेन एक अच्छा सिंगर है, अगर वो एक अच्छा सिंगर है तो हमें उसका टेस्ट लेना चाहिए. एंड व्हाट इज द टेस्ट? ही सेड दैट, शौकत मियाँ सेड दैट इफ Tansen is a good singer, he must sing Rag Deepak in proper manner, in proper way. In proper way, only the greatest singer can sing it properly. And Rag Deepak is a rag which can only be sung by greatest musicians, not any temporary, any ordinary musician. It could only be sung by greatest musicians. So we should test Tansen and we should say Tansen to sing Rag Deepak, and if he is able to sing the Rag Deepak, it means he is the greatest poet. Now come to the next paragraph. The next paragraph is, of course he can sing it. Tansen can sing anything. Akbar said, Tansen was afraid but could not disobey the king. Very well, my lord, he said, but give me time to prepare myself. Tansen went home. He had never been more downcast. Here is the word downcast. The meaning of downcast is hopeless. Hopeless, downcast and unhappy. I can sing the rag, he told his wife, but the heat it gives off will not only set the lamps alight, it will also burn me to ashes. When Shaukat Mian asked King Akbar, Emperor Akbar, that Tansen is not a great poet, if he is a great poet, he should prove himself that he is a great poet, and for proof he must sing Rag Deepak. If he is able to sing Rag Deepak in proper way, it means that he is the greatest poet. On that, King Akbar replied to Shaukat Mian that, no, I know that Tansen is the greatest poet. Tansen is a great poet. No other poet is as great as Tansen. Tansen can sing anything, Akbar said. And Akbar said that Tansen can sing anything. It means he can sing Rag Deepak too. And he can prove himself that he is a great singer by singing the Rag Deepak. Tansen was afraid but could not disobey the king. Tansen was afraid. But there was one other difficulty. He could not disobey the king. He must obey the king. He was afraid because he knew that if he would sing the Rag Deepak in proper way, if he is going to sing the Rag Deepak, he would burn into ashes. तानसेन डर गए क्योंकि उनको पता था कि अगर मैं इसको राग दीपक को गाऊंगा तो मैं जल करके राख हो जाऊंगा. Very well, my lord, he said, but give me time to prepare myself. Tansen told King Akbar that I can sing the Rag Deepak, but you must give me time to prepare myself for that song. And Tansen went home. He had never been more downcast and happy. He was never as hopeless as on that day, and he was never as unhappy as on that day. When he went home, his wife saw that he is much downcast, he is hopeless, he is unhappy, he is not in a proper way, he is feeling sadness. And he told, I can sing the Rag Deepak. He told his wife that I can sing the Rag Deepak. But there is a problem. And what is the problem? The problem is, but the heat it gives off will not only set the lamps alight, it will also burn me to ashes. If I will sing the Rag Deepak into proper way, if I am going to sing the Rag Deepak, it will not only alight the lamps, but it will also burn me into ashes. That's why I am afraid. This is the reason, that's why I am afraid, that it will not only alight the lamps, but it will also burn me into ashes. Come to the next paragraph. The next paragraph is, then he had an idea. If someone sing Rag Megh at the same time and sings it properly, it will bring rain. Perhaps, here is the word perhaps. Perhaps, it means maybe. Maybe. Perhaps our daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupwati could do it, he said. Then he had got an idea. When Tansen was talking to his wife about the difficulty that he is going to face by singing the Rag Deepak, at the same time he had got an idea. जब वो अपनी पत्नी से बातें कर रहा था कि राग दीपक गाने से मैं जो है जल करके राख हो सकता हूँ, उसी वक्त उसके दिमाग में एक ख्याल आया, एक आइडिया आया. एंड व्हाट इज दैट आइडिया? इफ समवन सिंग्स राग मेघ एट द सेम टाइम व्हेन आई एम सिंगिंग द राग दीपक, देन आई कुड बी सेव्ड. अगर कोई राग मेघ उसी समय गाना शुरू कर दे जब मैं राग दीपक गाता हूँ, जब हीट बढ़ जाती है तो उस वक्त राग में गाने की वजह से बारिश आएगी और मैं बच जाऊंगा. मेक एट द सेम टाइम एंड सिंग्स इट प्रॉपरली, इट विल ब्रिंग रेन. इफ एनीवन इज गोइंग टू सिंग राग मेक इन प्रॉपर वे, देन देयर वुड बी रेन, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रेन आई कुड बी सेव्ड. Perhaps our daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupwati could do it, he said. And he also said, he told his wife that our daughter Rupwati, our daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupwati could sing the Rag Megh in proper way. So I will train them how to sing Rag Megh, and after their training they would be able to sing Rag Megh in proper way. The next paragraph is, he taught the two girls to sing Rag Megh. They practiced night and day for 2 weeks. Tansen told them, you must wait till the lamps start burning and then you start singing. He taught the two girls. He taught Rupwati and Saraswati to sing Rag Megh, and he taught them for 2 weeks day and night. Means they practiced singing Rag Megh for 2 weeks day and night. Means they worked hard and they practiced night and day for 2 weeks. Tansen told them, you must wait till the lamps start burning, and you must wait till the lamp are going to start burning. And when the lamps are going to start to burning, at that time you will start singing Rag Megh, and then you start singing. You will not start before the lamp are burning. When lamps are started burning, at that time you will start your singing. You will start your singing of Rag Megh. See the next paragraph. The next paragraph is, the legend goes that on the appointed day the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Rag Deepak. Here is a word, assembled. The meaning of assembled is gathered. Gathered. Here other words too, appointed. Appointed means that are selected. Here you can say, if you want appointed, it means selected. Selected. So here the legend goes that on the appointed day the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Rag Deepak. When he began to sing, the air became warm. Soon people in the audience were bathed in perspiration. 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 The meaning of perspiration is sweat. Sweat. This is sweat. This is not sweet. Sweat means pasina. The spelling of sweet is S-W-E-E-T, but the spelling of sweat is S-W-E-A-T. Sweat means pasina. Into perspiration, the leaves on the trees dried up and fell to the ground. As the music continued, birds fell dead because of the heat, and the water in the rivers began to boil. People cried out in terror as flames shot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamps. The legend goes that on the appointed day, the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Rag Deepak. When people listened about this activity of Tansen, that Tansen is going to sing Rag Deepak on that selected day, on that appointed day, the people gathered around that place to listen singing Tansen, to listen how Tansen is going to sing Rag Deepak. And when he began to sing, the air became warm. When Tansen started singing Rag Deepak, the whole atmosphere became warm. And because of the warmness, soon people in the audience were bathed in perspiration. And whole audience became here you can say bathed into perspiration, bathed into sweat because of the heat of the song. Because of the heat of the song, all the atmosphere became very hot, and because of very warm, and because of that warmth, the audience were also covered, also bathed into the perspiration, bathed in sweat. The leaves on the trees dried up and fell to the ground. Because of the heat of the sun, the leaves of the trees started to become dry, and they fallen down from the trees because of the heat of the sun. As the music continued, birds fell dead because of the heat, and the water in the rivers began to boil. And because of the heat of the sun, the birds fell down from the trees dead, and the waters in the rivers started to boil, and the waters of the river started to boil because of the heat of the sun. People cried out in terror as flames shot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamps. And people who were gathered around that place to listen singing Tansen, they were cried in terror, in fear. Terror, you can say fear. Terror means in fear. It started to people cried out in terror as flames shot up out of nowhere, because the flames shot up, the flames started to burn everywhere without anything. There were not anything to burn the flames, but there were flames of fire everywhere without any source. There was not any source of flames, and still the flames started to burn, and they lighted up the lamps. The flames started to burn and they lighted up the lamps. That's why the people got afraid. Come to the next paragraph. That is, at once Saraswati and Drupadi began to sing Rag Megh. At once, when the lamp started to burn, at the same time Saraswati and Drupadi started to sing Rag Megh, and the sky clouded over. Clouded, here can say, clouded. The meaning of clouded is covered with cloud. Covered with cloud. The sky clouded over and the rain came down. When Rupavati and Saraswati started to sing the rag Megh, the atmosphere clouded over, the whole atmosphere covered with the clouds, and there started the rain. Tansen was saved. The story goes that he was very ill after this, and Akbar was sorry that he had caused him too much suffering. Suffering. The meaning of suffering is pain. The meaning of suffering is pain. Tansen was saved. Because of the rain, Tansen was saved and he was not burnt into ashes. And it was said that the story goes that he was very ill after this activity. He was very ill for long time. He took long time to cover his health, and Akbar was sorry that he had caused him so much suffering, and Akbar was also much disturbed. He was much, here can say Akbar was much sorry. He was sorry that he gave much suffering, much trouble, he gave much pain to Tansen, and he punished Tansen's enemies. King Akbar also punished the enemies of Tansen, the persons who were enemies of Tansen, and when Tansen got well, the entire city rejoiced. Here is the word rejoiced. The meaning of rejoiced is delighted. Delighted. Happy. When Tansen got well, the entire city, entire means whole. The entire city rejoiced. When Tansen recovered, at that time the whole city rejoiced, the whole city became happy, they became delighted, they became happy that Tansen was saved. And Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till 1585, and Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till 1585. Till 1585 when he died. Tansen remained King Akbar's court singer till his death, and he died in 1585. He composed several new ragas. He composed means Tansen composed. Compose means wrote. He composed several new ragas. Ragas, here you can see songs. Tansen composed several new songs, several new ragas till his death, and Tansen's tomb is in Gwalior. If you want to see the tomb of Tansen, you can go to Gwalior. His tomb is situated in Gwalior. तानसेन का जो टॉम्ब है, उनका जो मकबरा है, वो ग्वालियर में है. एंड इट इज़ अ प्लेस ऑफ पिलग्रिमेज फॉर म्यूजिशियंस. पिलग्रिमेज, हियर इज द वर्ड पिलग्रिमेज. पिलग्रिमेज, पिलग्रिमेज मीन्स होली ट्रैवल. होली ट्रैवल. जब हम कोई जो है होली ट्रैवल करते हैं, कहीं की जो है यात्रा करते हैं धार्मिक कार्य के लिए, तो उसको पिलग्रिमेज कहते हैं. सो इट इज़ अ प्लेस ऑफ पिलग्रिमेज फॉर म्यूजिशियंस. द टॉम्ब ऑफ तानसेन, तानसेन का जो मकबरा है, जो टॉम्ब है, दैट इज़ द प्लेस ऑफ पिलग्रिमेज, दैट इज़ द प्लेस ऑफ पिलग्रिमेज फॉर म्यूजिशंस। वो म्यूजिशंस के लिए क्या है, एक पिलग्रिमेज का जो है प्लेस है, उनके लिए एक आस्था की यात्रा है, उनके लिए एक आस्था का प्लेस है, उनके लिए एक आस्था की जगह है। सो दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ तानसेन। नाउ योर चैप्टर इज कंप्लीटेड। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।